If you've been seeing those bold ads claiming a tiny plug-in device called EpiCooler can cool an entire room in minutes and heat it in seconds, you're not alone. The internet is flooded with dramatic before and after visuals, countdown timers, and 60% OFF today only banners that make it look like a breakthrough gadget. But the truth behind these claims is far less exciting and much more complicated. EpiCooler is marketed as the #1 portable ASEAN heater with a room coverage of 51 square meters. Yet the device simply doesn't have the internal components required for real air conditioning because there's no compressor, no refrigerant system, and no mechanism that could physically produce the kind of cooling shown in the ads. At best, it functions like a small evaporative fan that slightly cools the air in a very close range. And any heating it provides comes from a basic ceramic element similar to low-watt desk heaters, making it incapable of warming a full room evenly. The promotional material uses staged testimonials, generic actor-style reviews, and fake media logos, which raises concerns about how much of the marketing is built on manufactured hype rather than real results, especially when users report that the device barely changes room temperature, loses performance after a few minutes, or feels like a rebranded version of cheap plug-in coolers sold every winter and summer under new names. While it's not entirely useless, it can give slight personal cooling if placed right next to you and offer mild warmth in a small corner. The gap between what the ads promise and what the product actually delivers makes it important to manage expectations, watch out for hidden charges, and be cautious of limited-time pressure tactics that are often used in seasonal gadget cycles designed to look high-tech but perform very modestly in real-world use.